The diplomatic cable sent by former Ambassador Ann Patterson to Washington in 2008 details the discussions at a meeting with PPP co-chairman Asif Ali Zardari, where he conveyed his concerns about the President Pervez Musharraf, the ISI, and his disagreements with Nawaz Sharif over the issue of judges' restoration. The cable states that Zardari conveyed a litany of complaints against Musharraf and particularly the then ISI Chief General Nadeem Taj, whom he believed should be fired. President Zardari also criticized Musharraf's handling of the Iranian President Ahmadinejad's visit and Musharraf's trip to China, in which he had bought costly new toys. He also alleged that Musharraf was attempting to force the PPP into an alliance with his party, Pakistan Muslim League, and was still holding corruption cases against him. The cable states that the PPP co-chairman had stated that he was broke, with high expenses and almost no income, and he had asked for the USG's help with security. The cable also asserts that Zardari seemed determined to limit the powers of former Chief Justice Iftikhar Chaudhry and even asked for the UK's help in urging Nawaz, who did not concede. Zardari outrightly rejected the possibility of breaking the coalition with PMLN, saying that if it came apart, the PPP's margin in the National Assembly would be razor thin. Patterson asserted that Zardari's relationship with the then President Pervez Musharraf and the ISI were fraying badly, and he was not interested in helping to keep Musharraf in office. Separately, Patterson also met Musharraf on May 3rd, who seemed confident that PPP will sort out the judges' issue, restricting former Chief Justice Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry's tenure to end on June 30th, 2008. Patterson says that Musharraf knew Zardari was motivated by self-interest and not by an interest in keeping Musharraf in office. And if Nawaz left the coalition, PPP's fallback strategy will be to form an alliance with PML. The US ambassador commented that Zardari and Nawaz continue to play the long game to achieve their separate ambitions to be prime ministers. She also informed Washington that the ISI had been meddling and the PML has been issuing statements offering to help the PPP resolve the judges' issue. She observed that a high-level Washington phone call to Musharraf may be in order.